This is a pine nut factory in Kabul. The factory owner told me that since November they have exported more than 300 tons of pine nuts to China. They hope they could continue to export more pine nuts in the future.
Established in 2015, Zamir-i Gayanwal Company Limited is a pine nut processing and export company in Kabul. With between $28,000 and $38,000 per ton, the company exported 650 tons of nuts to China last year, and is planning to export 950 tons in 2022. The business expansion allows the company to employ more people.
مستقیما د موږ سره تقریبا د 100 نه تر 1.5 نفر پورې روزانه کار کوي.
Job opportunities are very rare amid the country's economic woes. According to aid agencies, more than 22 million Afghans will face severe food shortages in Afghanistan this winter. Without overseas assistance, a humanitarian catastrophe threatens.
We give pine nuts to the families. They also work in factory, and also they carry the pine nuts to their homes. We would be very happy to serve our people, to provide more job opportunities, and also to make more money, not only for us, for also for our workers.
زموږ اجاره کاری ده که چېرته هر څومره ډېر کار وکړو موږ نه ډېرې پیسې لاسته راوړو 500 نه تر 1000 پورې 1.5 هو څنګه ورسره مینه نه لرم په خاطر د دې چې څومره ډېر کار صادر شي جلغوزي چین ته موږ د موږ هم اقتصاد سره مستقیمه اړیکه لري د موږ اقتصاد هم ورسره ښه کېږي د نورو کارګرو هم ورسره اقتصاد ښه کېږي.
Pine cones are harvested 10 days before they open. The cones are smashed after they are dried under the sun for 20 days. All nuts from the smashed cones need to be sorted by hand. Thousands of Afghans are now working with more than a dozen nut processing factories. Afghanistan historically exported 10,000 tons of pine nuts to China each year, with others heading to countries such as Germany, the Netherlands and Italy. Exports had been disrupted last year but have been resumed to China at more or less with the first air shipment of 45 tons at the end of October.
China is the major exporting destination of Afghan pine nuts at the moment. Because China is one of the most populated country in the world, and there is a huge market demand for Afghani products, and it seems very optimistic to export as much as we can.